Hello friends, let's talk about Farmmi. Where do we start? Let's talk about Farmmi, the company that's constantly bringing in deals, constantly bringing in revenue, good quarterlies, but cannot get its act together with this stock price. So here's what we know, here's what we don't know with Farmmi right now. Here are the key bullet points right now to Farmmi. If you don't know, you need to know. If you do know, well good, we're on the same page. Farmmi is a company that is based in China. Farmmi is on the NASDAQ. Now, Farmmi started to have a lot of trouble here right when Russia attacked. Pretty much pissed off the whole world. Then the United States and China and pretty much all of NATO, along with Russia, all started having conflict, and the stock market went more in haywire than it was already. So Farmmi started to take some hardship, and with Russian stocks, there's even a Russian stock that I had money in, and thank God I pulled it out. But you're no longer allowed to obviously put money into Russian stocks right now. It's not allowed. They've all been taken out of our stock market to where we can buy into them for the majority of stock platforms. So this was a big fright for a lot of investors that were buying into Chinese companies, that the United States and China were going to start to have problems and issues. So what did people do? They said, well, I'm getting out of here and I'm taking my stuff with me. That's what we saw happen with Farmmi. Now that things are kind of calming down right now, and Farmmi has been coming out with what they're saying, more deals, more things. I don't know how much of this is true. I've had my suspicions for quite a long time with this company. Are they speaking truth, or are they just trying to put good news out there for investors? Now, another key thing to know here about Farmmi is that Farmmi has not been $1 since August of 2022. Like I said, backtracking time here when we started to have problems in the media. Farmmi even came out last year with what they said were amazing quarterlies, and that they had been all expectations. So, why would we not be excited about that? We saw the company just get slaughtered in the stock market, and of course, more as the year went on, we lost the stock price. And in December, it just fell to a 40 cent range. And now going into January here, a lot of the stocks, penny stocks and growth stocks, have been having a little bit of return here. Not a lot, but it's something, getting the ball rolling here into the new year. Farmmi at a 55 cent range, we'll just call it right there. This is where I play devil's advocate, and I have to put honesty down. I've put a lot of money into Farmmi, but I am also very suspicious of what is going on here. Now, obviously, I'm a firm believer that if you want to see big gains in the stock market at a fast rate, you're probably going to have to do some dangerous stuff, and you're probably going to have to do some stuff that makes you uncomfortable and that you may not want to do. But that's how a lot of people get where they want to be in a faster way in the stock market. Now, I have plenty of other stocks that I put money into, like Apple, Exxon, BP, things where they're just growth stocks or dividends, Tesla, things like that. Those are just there. They're hardy stocks. They're always going to do good. And, the world, as long as the world exists, they're going to exist. Now, Farmmi is a completely different animal. This is a new company with, big plans, what it's trying to do. And it's a company that's on the other side of the world right now that we're getting, kind of mixed signals with news here and there, what's going on. It's a dangerous and tricky situation. But as of right now, we are seeing Farmmi go up and move. Not a ton, but we are seeing something here. Like I said, Farmmi has not been $1 for, 6 months now, almost half a year. So with that, hopefully by May, we can start to see Farmmi maybe return to $1. Now, is that going to happen? Do not count me on that. Do not count me on that. I am hoping, and fingers crossed, trust me. Farmmi is going to have to do that. If not, it's going to be looking like they could possibly have another reverse split, or we could even see Farmmi being taken off the NASDAQ. They have got to do something here, and obviously time is ticking here. And as you know, last year Farmmi did have a reverse split. So friends, I just want to put this out there. I'm still very interested in what Farmmi is doing and what this is as a company, but I would though caution to the wind here. This is a dangerous situation. This is this is where I go like, hey, I'm not telling you to buy into Farmmi. I'm telling you, like, this is what a lot of us are dealing with, what I'm dealing with, what we're trying to really trust this company, and I want to, but also too, I'm dealing with the world and world leaders, borders, sanctions, all that kind of stuff, and where we are right now with the times. So it's a very tricky situation to try to get something happening with this company, it seems like right now. So friends, you have to read and take your own chances here with what you want to do with Farmmi. Just it's a tricky situation. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish all of you the best of luck. I will talk to you very soon. Bye friends.